You're welcome. Now let's go eat some cake. I'm starving.
What the fuck is that comment? Okay, I can't even read that out on stream. That's crazy. Some people in chat are actually wilding. I wonder what her voice sounds like with reverb. I'll be honest with you, but that's just me. Feed her cake.
Heart?
How do you? How?
You first. I've waited long enough.
Just tell me how.
How do I express my love for you?
No. How do I feed you cake?
You don't? That's so cruel?
Whatever. You don't deserve cake. There, I said it.
Why are you being such a meanie, Vidal?
I don't know. Yo. Hi, chat. Listen. Yeah, you're not gonna believe this one. I messed up a little. Okay, I'm quite prone to forgetting to change the stream title, you know, or forgetting to change the go live notification. I did one worse this time. I forgot to change the stream key, so I actually went live on Camila's channel for like 30 seconds. I thought, I was wondering why I wasn't live and why no one was in chat. Maybe, you know, maybe I finally fell off, but no, I was live on Camila's channel, so that one's my bad. Forgot about that, but we're back now. That's the important thing. And nothing happened, so no one tell Camila. Anyway.